IIM Shillong's Symposia series on improving mobility in Shillong started on Friday. The event was formally inaugurated by Chief Justice of the High Court of Meghalaya, Justice Sanjeev Banerjee. Speaking on the occasion, Sanjeev Banerjee, Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court, said that Shillong has been developing over the past 4 to 5 years and numerous problems need to be solved. He also said that infrastructure should be built initially by the union government, but ongoing maintenance must be done by the state administration. Chief Secretary D.P. Walang said that mobility problems are a major concern in hill cities such as Shillong because of the unavailability of a good road network, which often results in high to severe grade congestion. The event would discuss on how to improve traffic congestion and improving mobility in the capital.
IIM Shillong has done the country proud.
Foremost, thank you to IIM Shillong for organizing this very important symposium on improving mobility in Shillong. It is the need of the hour, and I would especially like to place on record our gratitude and thanks to the Honorable Chief Justice for gracing this occasion as the chief guest in today's inaugural function. We have been discussing in the corridors of the Secretariat for a long time on the problem of traffic management in Shillong.
The Joint Action Committee Against Casino from Reboy